Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Hunt County in north central Texas, northeastern Collin County in until 10:50 at 9:36 p.m. Central Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is located 8 miles east of Anna, or 15 miles northeast of McKinney, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Tornado and quarter-size hail. Source: indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. This dangerous storm will be near Leonard around 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Celeste around 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Wolf City around 10:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Westminster and For now, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now.